What's going on, guys? The Mac Doctor here, second to none custom. Like always, a pleasure to have you guys back. And today we're doing a D.I.Y. K-Tune door quick release hinges. Pause. K-Tune is a great product. I've been purchasing K-Tune for a minute. They're top notch. And these door hinges is important to me for the track to have better access in the track to work in it. Like if I put it in a closed-in trailer and I can get in, I could make it more accessible. And at all times, within a couple seconds, I could take out the door and just get in that quick. Eventually, I'm doing my hood like that. Everything quick release. Within a amount of a second, I could just remove the hood, remove the doors, and it makes it more easy to work in so many things. So, with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys the box they sent me, the care package, what it looked like, and we'll get to this installation. So let's get it. All right, check it out, boys. Newest addition to the family. Yep, his name is Spike. You got him. He was supposed to be inside the house, but he sneaked and he came to the garage. So, I figured I'd show you guys my little homeboy. Alright, so I got the credit package from K-Tune. Shout out to K-Tune. Check it out. Yeah. Nothing but quality, guys. Check out the painting. It's like a wrinkle black. Got a nice finish. Comes with a zip tie, so it doesn't get misplaced while you install it. This is what it looked like. We have one. We got the second one over here. The package. Comes with a K-Tune sticker. And over here is the other two. So you got driver's side and you got passenger side. Same concept. Everything packaged very well. Very light. Compared to the door factory OEM hinges, I feel the difference. They are very strong but very light. Alright, so we'll put that right there. Throw that in. Put it back here. Where it is. We have another K-Tune sticker. So we gotta find a spot to just set it up real quick. Let's see, where should we put it, boys? I don't know. Might put it on the dashboard. What do you guys think? Yeah. Let's see, why not? Yeah, see, I got K-Tune over there. Got K-Tune in the motor. Some motor came to ice. More K-Tune ports. Another plug I got there from K-Tune. Like, I love the products, you know what I'm saying? They top notch. So, what can I say? Right, so we're gonna put this sticker real quick. Got him. We got him, man. Alright. Yeah. I'm sitting down here, boys. Gonna put it right here. Alright, boys. For this installation is quick and easy. You just require simple 10mm. For the removal of your 10mm in here. I have quick release bolt washers, fender washers. I removed them all. The fenders that use there. I just unfastened the front bumper. Doesn't need to come off. So just gonna sit there. The fenders do gotta come off. So we could do the door removal, the old hinges, and then we could get to this installation. The K-Tune kit. It's a simple setup. We just need a 10mm. Remove your fenders, both sides. Unfasten your front bumper. And we'll proceed now to remove the doors. And I'll show you guys the next step. So let's get it. Alright, first thing first. We're going to remove the fenders. We're going to loosen the bolts up. I'm going to carefully take these out, put it someplace safe. Okay. Next step, we're going to close the door because right now it's aligned. And we're going to proceed to take our hinges off. So let's get it. Close. I get a 12 socket. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the size. We'll do one hinge at a time. You use your OEM factory bolts. So same setup. Really stoked to have this upgrade. The track is gonna get handy. You're gonna have to work on it after you remove the doors. You gotta take in the bolts out. About 30 seconds. Pretty good. So you remove the tooth from the door. I'm gonna remove the tooth from the frame itself. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. To install your K-tune quick release door hinges. Been waiting a long time for this one. Shout out to K-tune. Get the old ones outside. Actually, we'll do a small comparison. Pretty dope. Then you simply go into the spot. We're gonna cut the zip tight. Proceed to start real quick. Some snippets over here. Again, goes with your factory bolts. For each bolt, make sure we align them all the same way. Then we could proceed with the rest. Alright. 2 screws for the door. See if I can get a better angle for you guys. There you go. We're just gonna hand tie them. The reason I do one at a time, the door is already still aligned from the previous setting. So we proceed to tie it up. Everything nice and tight. Now we'll proceed. We'll do the same procedure at the bottom. I like the way they got the wrinkle look on it. Like if I was on the coat, gets rid of my crusty hinge look. So that dirt build up. They don't come marked. I just want to point that out. Like they don't say left, right. You have to do it yourself. But they do align pretty well, so it's a matter of just figuring out left and right. But again, this is a great upgrade for the hatch. went for her. One time building her, you know, responsibilities and shit. So it gets kind of hard sometimes. So I'm pretty stoked to have this. See how it goes. Again, wind it up. The other side. That's how they go. Both sides, boom. Comes off. And we can send it back in. Closes it open like a regular door. Same procedure. Put our OEM bolts. Proceed to tight. And the K-tune quick lock door hinges. Quick release should be done quick. It's a simple setup, guys, but the advantages for the track and to work in the car and many stuff. At some point in the future, I want to do a same coin cage, roll cage, so it's gonna come handy to remove the doors, to get in and out all the time in the track, and that nature. Wasn't too bad. It's about 3 and change with the taxes. Like I said, the same kit. Cool it hit until like last month. It was about $1,200, $1,000 I seen anyway. They were pricey. Why so expensive? I don't know. So I seen an opportunity and I went for it. Same time. Please. Oh, it was my skirt. Put the bolts back in. Because I was waiting for this installation in case I needed to remove it. But you guys looking at it. Let's try to see open it and remove the door like it should. This door I got no door handle. It's gonna be treated. Okay, see? Door open and close is normal. There we go. My doors are cut doors. So it really doesn't matter if it's a track car, it's not a street car. If it was a street car and I want to replace it with OEM doors, I could just do that. Try to take them out. You have it 2 years later. That's pretty much how it is. That was my mistake because I put them backwards. So learning experience, boys. Well, as you guys see, this is the good purpose of the quick release doors. It's a closer look. How they look, what they really are. That's what quick about them. Once properly installed, they just quickly get out. But again, shout out to K-Tune. Took me a minute to figure out, but if there's no struggles, you know, it's not fun. So a learning experience, like I said. Now I can put my fenders and everything and remove the doors at all times. Work on the skirts, work on the car. That's dope. So we're gonna go ahead and repeat the same procedure for the other side. So let's get it. It's already tight. Loosen this one up. Flat that third boulder drop in the bottom, and put our large set. Alright, lovely. Snap the bolt. What? Alright, so we took them off. Now I'm going to proceed to put them back in. It's going to be another learning experience. Imagine Samantha flying them up. There we go. Slide. Boom. Very easy, boys. So that's it for that side. Repeat the same procedure for the other side. And this should conclude today's K2 installation. So let's get it. Hand time. So the one that's not functioning. The third one someday. Then on the floor. So this one will everything. Hopefully in the future we can do a garage rebuild like that, call it, or upgrade. We'll do a cement floor. And probably epoxy and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like people and on the opposite side of the track. Again, 192. So these things that happen in the bolts. Also back on that bolt is that. But gotta make your safe set that we're going on anything. Then you have to tap that bolt in the future. That's one. And the door is closed, so it's not gonna move it. Side, put me a little bit with that screw, let it back on. That's both sides, driver, passenger side. This side I went, put my fender back on. I just gotta put the bolt for the bumper, so everything's good money. The same, gotta put the fender on this side real quick, and that should be done. Got both fenders on. Back like not the back at it. Got faster in my bumper real quick. Overall, smooth stall. Shout out to K-Tune again. Great parts. Got D.i.Y and hinges. Got the K-Tune installed already. The hinges. That's it, man. It's another upgrade for the Wolverine hatch. Another win. So little by little, we accomplish our goals. Alright, boys. There you have it. Our whole system, quick door release, got it installed. This is the old one. We got the new one. We got both fenders in. This is an item depression. So you guys are interested. Quick release door hinges for EF, CRX, EG, EK, DC, S2K. So from driver and passenger hinges for off-road use only. The old setup. We got the new ones in. Simple installation. The hatch is on fire, little by little, boys. It's about 85, maybe 88% done. It's like little things. We got the wiring harness now for it. Somebody just installing it. Get the ECU. Do the fuel line setup for the fuel cell. Brakes, brake lines. Get the charge harness over here going. Get the motor wire harness. Little things. So I can't wait. We got more coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Like, forward, for subscribing, like, and comment. Peace.